Building on the baby scratch is the second important foundational technique that goes hand in hand with it. This technique is what I like to call a drop, otherwise known as a release, and it's performed with the turntable platter spinning and again with the crossfader open. It's another two-note technique, and it involves you releasing the record at the start of the sound and then pulling the record back to the very start of the sound. Remember to try and maintain a light touch on the record so that the platter keeps spinning under the slip mat. And again, it's a good habit to keep your eye on the marker to stay accurate. I'd also recommend that you grab the record just outside of the center label so that when you bring it back, your hand will stay in roughly the same place. As I mentioned, drops can be combined with baby scratches, and together these two techniques make up the building blocks for all other techniques that follow. Here's some examples of drops and baby scratches over a beat.